Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify identity on Prizepicks. Let's begin. So I've gone to the Prizepicks.com website in the verification section, and it says here, why am I being asked for the last 4 digits on my SSN? If your account isn't automatically verified after you sign up, that means we need more information before we can verify your identity. To complete this process, you'll just need to input your last 4 SSN digits, and we will securely process your information to attempt to verify your identity. The last 4 digits of SSN is only used for verification and will not be stored post-registration. Then the heading says there, why am I being asked to submit a photo of my ID? If your account isn't automatically verified after you sign up, that means we need more information. To complete this process, you only need your smartphone and a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or a passport. If you follow the instructions in the app, the verification process will take less than 2 minutes. So it's actually a quite simple and easy and fast process. What happens after I submit my ID? After you submit a valid government-issued photo ID, you will be notified with one of the following status reports. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So number 1, verified. You will receive a notification that says verification successful. You'll also be provided a link to the deposit page where you can add funds to your account and begin playing Prizepicks. And then number 2, let's say that your ID is not clear. They're going to ask you to resubmit the ID. Then number 3, placed in review, a verification specialist will review your account information further. Then number 4, denied. If you are denied, you will unfortunately not be able to play on Prizepicks. Prizepicks reserves the right to deny verification to anyone as its sole discretion. Then for security reasons, we will not be able to provide specific information to individuals regarding why they were denied. So there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.